In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade crypto on Aster DEX. Now, first you need to go to Aster DEX official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now on here, as I said, you have to connect the wallet first. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch the video on that on my channel. I have a video on how to connect every single possible wallet, so watch that and then come back. So after you do that here, to actually trade crypto, you have to first deposit on some funds. So just go to deposit over here and then basically just select your account, select the chain, and then select what crypto you want to deposit on here to start trading with. And then for beginners, I would actually recommend you go to the spot section over here. But of course, you are free to actually trade perpetuals or different leverage positions as well. So of course, let's just go to spot right now. In here inside spot, I have $11 on my wallet, as you can see. To actually trade crypto, just select whatever you want to trade here on the left hand side, top left. So for example, let's say I want to trade Bitcoin. You can just see it over here, and then you can either buy or sell using a market, limit, or any of the other available orders over here. Just go ahead, put in your price, put in the size, the amount you would like to buy, either in the crypto or in USDT. Click on the buy button and you've successfully bought. And then whenever you are ready, click on the sell button, and this is how you can then go ahead and sell. So that's how easy it is to actually trade crypto on the Aster DEX. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.